Any 13th September 2025. All praises to the Most High God. Your friend me J1 and I'm Manager 1. The CEO of Right Time Travel and Tours. And I manage killing to Asafo Powers. Any last zero, any team in last year, May 2024, and I meet you more. And I miss you mumu. It was through Sarah Osu party, yeah, Koye, and I'm Koshia rap father, and they opele says, oh, UK, and I won't show you so nothing. It was first week in May. Nay, Sarah Osu birthday party, I seen him meet you more. Because previously, na me home videos are nay, me fe, and a mommy more inspiration, a motivating me more, and they say, me tia kuwa, me say a friend, me didn't kwami akuwa. A call party, I think the party was on the 10th May. Me meet rap father ni opele no. And on yom kasa na committee on the 13th May. Ewo kumase mo. It hona na chemistry no. E buy normally 2 women some person me manage you, and I'm saying no problem. Even though me busy with my travel job, no, but still I will try my best to make the best support to you more physically, spiritually, financially, and all. I'm in charge of me no, by dint of prayer, hard work. Nyoma shall say overnight. Sabi omunta di shemu, omu interest, omu zeal, power. And that's one. Nyame na meso emane ba mo. Ti. Edini shall say spread it like a fire. Because already guys need the a multi-talented and they mean fancy. And almost are very hard working. And you know, as along no na me Accra office no. Na I started gidi tine was me free come na me ba Accra tine ba sana about real management ebe na me dey bibia ma so wasa onye dey on handle bibia financially and in terms of everything. The back and forth na mama ba Accra no mama be skate na mama mo ko o ma na mama ba back and forth sa na nyame chade I don't know spready baby Saturday Jonathan Sowa a free Jonathan Sowa no so and I call referee Colena. And then also by now on the SO to Mrs. San or a very vexed at last year also Bonanka Chiomo ye team no be the Nadia Baho Brassier Ziggy Butu so yenny dear by bompa boana. Neoma shall say a picky. Tine you must wash and see a ba. Sikaswa shall say a bomb. Me any pebia, me manage you are. Sebi, Aduminti, me traveling to 2003 na me started. Enye money I read na me de ba mwana me de yede me de bo omo sika kura me mfa me nsanka me kura na me sa di sika yede ewurem se ombe yede ombe peki me a traveler intino I knew say incidental travel opportunities beba quickly me hu na ho na straight away me your birth set me your passport create bank account bibia mo say omo be bibia so incidental travel opportunities ba na straight me no mo nyina yakọ ni yakobo ye show ni ya de yaba back peacefully as along na me meet you from May no 2024 na me de mom no na issues ba regarding sikasem ni ade and the normal efibia challenges wo obi a won strength obi a won weakness powers when the strength when his weakness we mu nyina wo ba na ye try say e be manage into na bibia management wo ma eye. I decided say January 2025 no me take it over. No ma start a juma no myself when the guys to financial everything. Bibi baby I was say me so. Na ma chiro mo de omonye. But January 2025 nyame nko start say me yari gidi. Me who be that. Me battle for me health. Me who shall say to me first week in May. Official time my medical committee was May 15th. I say May 16, 2025. I'm a call company Asafo baby omo ye adwuma no e ma me ne omo ye skate ni ade nyina tina issues wo me realize say issue ni say powers ye skater last room be kan ho last room so be skater powers in me continue me bufu yi na me ka kire ni say no entimi enye adwuma sa na me ne omo kasa amicably and as our problem near there, solve we. And on June 2025, and a one slick the entire decor Dubai no and I'm baby chirichido. Before Dubai trip no, there was issues regarding Sikansam. So killing tuya ebia saka sikabia one can so obey juma ma no aba become mate abasa ni brebeba ebia obi di sika abasa wo so on posti na pressure aba na last zero ne nkura na etwa de atum etoato aso kakra ti abasa na e di hatred baba mami hu mame ka kire me say eto de bi kra clients bi frame the two manim na me buofu na me naka na anasititi no no wakwa kotwa atum back and forth. It's not issues here then gidi between killing and last year. But now my dream focus now was here because Dubai. They go Dubai now because at nothing and I may recover. Till July no. You can share one don't tell about Dubai arrangements. My traffic your cry. More me no need me call hospital. Yamin ko an. Ti ever could Dubai and kwana me fit. Yeah, Kokraman can you am retired physician assistant like a doctor. Man can't share no na many omo ye den. Yes, you too quiet. Tino Monkasa airport, Kumasi airport. So when they can buy number 2 until last you buy. Into a beda Accra, my dear chair. You drew Kotokana, medium passport, man, Mr. Miyako. You forget about BB. I mess over problem. And you yamen child, you go through Dubai 9th August, which is 2025. You could do any Kobo show no. The Kobo show no. But promoter na 1 year arrange for way no. Oman they try ticket, visa arrangements and everything. Our hotel and everything, of course, as usual. Oman a bear BBR. In this case, no. Say 100%. A woman is I think 25% and 30% because you're owner of the program no ama. And a travel no na. That was their official travel. So the intention or the goal was not to make a profit because that was their first international travel. I was a micran, I mean, yes, I had any in but it was an opportunity, say, about Ghana fashion. Into your choir buy no, Sikaka credit in seminal. And I decided, Scammy Cham or Mokra or Dubanam, so no Yamra Ghana, ye be drewer. Now me decide Sika, and yes, Sika ye Sikabia. Yes, it can be because yes, it can number me 30%. Yes, 70% in a sleek, no, Eddie my sleek promotion is my witness. Inti, ye bedrew yam duamoko hotel wa Accra because subsequent not UK travel ho. Ti me omo passport no, nam stamp now Dubai omo di stamp ho. Maskane. Nam kacha ampra dene dia mam. Killing to amfa ne dia mam also amfa mame. The reason is so they call command is soft. About some pipe. And I'm saying passport I mean my yama. Even though in reality no dinner was but a jumam na passport and I'm they call ye jumana me scania. The entity now so they call command soft about some pipe. I believe in spirituality. But also for any year passport in amount because of one personal interest. Questionable interest. Tiebedru 12 August, which is on Tuesday. They decided 14 na memo makukumasi, but na me wa krakakra because of me traveling to a business office newo adabrakano. Wa 13th na no dwane the following day, which was Wednesday, dwane kukumasi. Wa mo ampra manie, wa mboma mamanie. Mantene kada. It is sleek in the frame regarding your balance that was on Nobuza second. And I'm so we're going to cook massacre one or friend no a catch then is a massa. Say Ubi and a bow. Emma be do some pen so away. Many Jawa bow. What talker, Kakra to Amano, a bloggers was it a buttrick and a talk card here, a mom. And no, the Ukrainian killing 20 minutes. And I'm Prasonka say, and I mean, Jeff and some talker, mom. How many teams over more than 1.3, 1.4 billion? I'm a talker here, the mom. So move on, contract. Many jabbing. and a mojiska or only interested. You open say, meaning say bigger, mightier things by your day. Ebeba. You appear fast. No, did not tell no catty promoter. Slick. And the balance of Kana up to now on far balance in the crime. The last road when you be a enti otwifa so ko na onua ba me baby am te bebu nkoto do pa match so manager me ni abranti we so end ogiyen because we di na chi ade wa ye no ha me nka so mo ho kra bio oko Kumasi one Fred after 2 weeks I think on the 28th August or Fred obekeska sometimes basa sika sembe na ba beka just what we are said see cap money I read as a manager before I go yi H&H Garia Ukoji contract minim hoshe enkra no mani mbre what did this ka bebre abro omunya nya den omunya we Benjamin Azamati mu trusket ni pakona bro sika kese e na nkwa watena so awedi etc me pese me kasa bebre ni tu ya se no uni obi ya adwuma group you think about your selfish interest being greedy. The we are no Kwame despite mo ni even knew at this o mahiti say no come yes can ni bri an come nru omo pedestal ana hierarchy ana rank ana level anyame di o mababedu oba be frema kasem ka obi an ko be ka wo be apologize for disrespect na wo ye no awudwane koye na abra wan kra obi a what did they make sure no Tabena started so hit Ampra, very humble guy. I am the only person to confirm the disparity or the difference between them. Mimiti Ukraina unyenya 600k class 700k. By the grace of God, we number 3.5 million followers. You have to humble yourself. Nyamine peja nipa, nyamine bringing nipa down. And nothing is cafobi, and now more your defobi, Brumuniska, more obi. Oba me dear Muswanko for more message me for. Semi more. I've decided not to do that mistake again. Minuka say, and 13th September. What Gania Quack share your friend is saying South Africa, Ubo show, and 13 Ubo show. I would de so bula can wabra manager minimum share. Sika. Now, Quacogen, Ubedini forever. Say no, Mede Bemau. Oko and idea unya problem or Kwanswa. Who are you going to tell? So to the message, who are you going to tell? Well, Finians are frame on the 20 the Keskas, and I'm Usika be enemy ho. Because half more, Nizi Gibu more, or Musso, why was your more passports, no money or money. There's kind of cry saying, Sikania J. And you're more than $1,000. $1,000 they even press a car flight minimum try from Kumasi to Accra ni hotel some die ye ba hotel amoda for 2 nights and no crime calculate kana ebebru sa initial amount no the mine this the official travel no it was not meant for profit or money making it was meant for travel exposure and future opportunities. Slick no can be boost like I say, so mommy 3 billion or 2 billion. Care so because even though we are soon to win 100%, Omuna more flaws, Omuna more weaknesses. As a young guy, powers who started so years at the age of 36 or 37 or 35 years. What that's what told my no papa and chain. Who move mammy move papa. First, you call mammy no papa crying away. Or second, your father and your mother is not aware, and they are constantly cursing you out because of the kind of disrespect and rude nature of the young. Yeah, now people will say, advice I'm doing once. It's not too late for you. It's better you come down. Tatawale uwusi kabibiri chani manager. Sami flex. Onya yoko problem musa se o manager we good aye. Uwusi kabibiri chani manager, but look at what the amazing thing. An extraordinary thing. Sami Flex. God bless Sami Flex. No beer. Sebi unibi. Who hate financially. From years 1 year. Never crazy cabe and wenya. Okodi H&A Gary contract. What yearly? Umubia Capre. Benjamin as a multi program. Or this kind of man waters. Oman Colanibi. A Juman apprentice. What you say? A Juman a Munyana Moye. That's it. A did die. Why? A did die. I knew there was questionability with your character, but minim seni petty Mrs. What you say now? We are say na respect to manager, respect to mami or do basa siwe so, respect to papa or do basa siwe so. No be a kawa sama safoni, no be a kawa sam, ubi asi a man for what you misika. Say also post to me year. Say yeah the two media no so nipa bebebebro is been 20 to 30. Omo kan we did your matter. So na was obi a person we star. It's not too late for you. I think one started cry. Sika ben wenya. You can say he's even cry just come on 100,000 one below be. Just media hypes. What is the message? You will cry no. A dan crown high diner. What is the message? So humble yourself and respect. And at the uye nyina mina. Ladies say me come and what too. But for you to call bloggers and tell them that usika be na one we calculate kama bon ho bit metua. And now you say with your meet me found true, meet me found family plans. It's not necessary, but it's high time you repent. Now, wow. What is the nature of no? So bolo ya wafana kan so bolo. I'm a manager and me we ni so. Me not prophet, but you know, you were ni your sensitivity, sharp sensitivity. Who bet me no my aduma? I'm prana wa bakew. Was I chief fried rice? What show? What wow? It was evident in your friend is saying. Zan Felix, me hotel room yo Dubai. Me na last day I kobo nyachi. Me hotel room. And I'm mo ye grantee. Me na me force so am ma mo nyina ba mo grantee interview no. Hwensema wo kika. Wo shira me se manager why ade ma boam. Matoka ma me na me boam, me na me say. Eya me nature obi oni bia ma boa nkrofo bebere ma ma tutu kwan kwa abrochire. Umom ye drivers, umom ni ani daso. Chase aboa nkrofo bi sai na nyame aye. Bibia de ensa beka bi aye nhira. Nanka wo akenkomo nwo. Na wo kom nipa anim kusa sata mko nipa anim so kwa kojiska bi 2000 ode be ma. Na nipa boa ampra boa ahobrase aboa ozigibuta boa team na boa. Most of content in the Brigrana, terms and jargons near the Adinina, if we grant whatever. Only one time to what my new your friend is saying content. What my new content, but when you were them, because Nyanko Ponden and Sasumunintino, you were prolific, Bonica prolific, abundant, you were flowing like a rivers of living waters. What is the nature or no? Because global ye be an effort, but be honest to yourself. After we separate with them, no. Show comment section the way people are cursing you out. And yet too late with you. You could have the same name. Would you say your coupon where lefty on your lefty? This world is not a line, it's a circle. It will be a scar. Me traveling to Memoka. We give us about many a block. But yenya hand time. Say me yes kenti mami o wo me yakwasi ampanyin me papa e yakwasi ampanyin hey what about them o mami o wo it's high time you go to look for your mom come mami bunko to be no mun shiraw and yes we are pregnant for any miracle it do last me 9 months you get a miscarriage e benamibu proverbially aden onko aden wo act no once poku e ka kire was it usuban we are talented by usuban to say the way we see you it's a true reflection of your character. So we are see and I'm a manager one mama be clear all the problem, the greediness and the eye redness and everything is not from Ampra because he's not stupid. And I'm here penny. Coming in a home man in 10 say you 10 and yet too late. They can come together, but this guy needs correction. For a son, and yet too late with anybody. And then in the met Markham actually munina. What I say, Yamin Shram, bye bye.